Hi guys, Peter from Vox Singing Academy here at our beautiful Brunswick Studio. I'm here on Sydney Road and we are very, very close to public transport. 5-minute walk this way is the Anstey station. We've got public transport right here with the trams. It's about 10 minutes into the city. There's ample parking here, also at the rear of the premises as well too. There's parking as well. And I'll just show you around here. So we're in the Forum Arcade here. So this is a little arcade that we're in. And we are at Suite 9 in the Forum Arcade here. So this is the studio here. Right at the very end there, to the right hand side, there are toilets. Come on in and I'll show you around. This is the waiting room here, so if there is a class before you, just take a seat here and have a bit of a seat and just wait till your lesson is ready. We have numerous high-profile professional singers up on the walls here, probably about 30 or 40 of them that have got major label recording contracts. So just stay here, have a little bit of a read through our newsletter and have a look at the motivational text that's on our photo boards here. But come on through and I'll show you Studio 1 here. This is Studio 1. This is where a lot of great work gets done here. So this is in Studio 1. Nice little studio here. And we've also got Studio 2 as well too. So we are very, very busy at the Brunswick Studio, so we do utilise 2 studios most of the time. So this is Studio 2 if you are in Studio 2. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you like singing lessons with Vox Singing Academy, please ring 04222 78289 or log on to our website, which is voxsingingacademy.com.au. Thanks, guys. Much love. Bye-bye.